question here. Rectangle ADEF is made up of 4 identical rectangles. AE, BE, and CE are straight lines. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, highlight again. Area of the shaded part. So how do you go about doing this? First, let's look at one triangle at a time. Let's look at this triangle over here. Let's look at this triangle. Okay, I know that the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So I know the height is 8, and I know that the base is 3. So I can find this shaded triangle first. So let's name it so that we don't get confused. Triangle EDC is equals to half times base times height. And we will get 12 cm square. Now, how do we find the other triangle? I can't seem to find a nice height. Okay, let's redraw that. It's like that. Okay, something like that. ABE. So I know that the base is AB, right? AB is 3 cm plus 3 cm, which is 6 cm. But what is the height? This is the height. This here is the height, which is ED, which is 8 cm. This is the height, the dotted line here. See? Yes. So we can definitely solve that. Triangle EBA is equals to half times 6, which is your base, times your height, which is 8 cm, and you will get 24 cm square. Now we want to find the area of the shaded parts, so we have to plus them together. So shaded is equals to 24 plus 12, which is equals to 36 cm square. The answer is 36 cm square. So the table below shows the time taken by 4 participants in a race. All the times recorded are in whole numbers. Some of the time recorded were blocked by an ink drop. Okay, so this is what it looks. The average time taken by 4 participants was 49 seconds. Okay, 4 participants, 49 seconds. Difference between the time taken was 6 seconds. Find the shortest. Okay, we are going to find the shortest possible time taken by Bradley. Okay, slowly break down the question. Average time taken by 4 participants was 49. So let's write it down here. Average 49 seconds. Remember the formula previously. Average is equals to the total. Okay, in this case is time, right? The total number of average is equals to the total number of time divided by the total number of participants. So that is the average. Okay, we know the average is 49 seconds. Do we know the total participants? Yes, 4. So we can definitely find the total time taken. 49 times 4. Okay, how did I come up with that? We look back over here. 49 seconds is the average. I don't know what the total time is divided by 4. So to find this total time, what I did is move this 4 over here. So I did the opposite of divide. I times. okay? I times it instead. So that's why 49 times 4. And the total times should be 196. Okay, so this would help us later to find Arthur and Kevin. Okay, so Arthur and Kevin. Arthur and difference total. Arthur, Kevin, difference total. Oops. Okay. Alright. So the difference has to always be 6. Okay. Difference always has to be 6. Now, we know that Arthur starts with 5 and Kevin starts with 5. Right? So both of them starts with 5. So equals to 6. I can reduce it. 58 minus 52 equals to 6. Again, 57 minus 51 equals to 6. And again, 56 minus 50 equals to 6. Now I can't go down any further because then it will become 49, right? And Kevin starts with 5. So we stop there. Now we find the total. Why do we need to find the total? So that later on you can guess and check and add up together and ensure that it's 196. Okay, so let's total up. 59 plus 53 is 112. 58 plus 52 is 110. 57 plus 51 is 108, and this is 106. Okay, now let's move on to guessing and checking. Arthur, Bradley, Kevin, and Dexter. Okay, so now our aim is to find Bradley, the shortest possible time taken for Bradley. So Arthur. Okay, let's see. Now, we know that Dexter is always 45. Correct? Let's try to fit in this first one over here, 59 and 53. 59, 53. Bradley starts with 4. Okay, so we want to find the shortest possible time. So what is the shortest possible time that starts with 4? 40, correct? That's the shortest possible time. So this is just a simple guessing and checking. So Bradley, I just put there, it has to be the shortest. Okay, so the total of all of this is 197, but what we calculated just now was 196. So this is wrong. We can't use this. Okay, what can we change here? 197, you have to reduce it, right? Reduce it some more. And when we look up here, 59 and 53 is 112. So maybe we can use this one instead. This one has a lower total, right? Okay, let's try that then. 58 and 52. Okay, since this one is 2, right? The difference is 2. Lower. we can add 1 to Bradley. Okay, because this is already -2. Okay, this here is -2. So if you add 1, then perhaps 197 will become 196. Okay, let's just try it. Dexter is 45 always. Okay, let's just try it. 58. Okay. 16. 19. Ah, yes. 196. That means the shortest that Bradley can go is 41. 41 seconds. Right? Next. The table shows the postage rates for posting mail locally and overseas. Okay. Mr. Lim paid $4.20 for posting a package overseas. So we don't need to look at the local postage. It's just confusing. Just focus on overseas postage, right? What was the greatest possible mass? So we want to know the greatest possible mass that Mr. Lim posted. Okay, we know that it's $4.20. Okay, $4.20. So the first 50 grams he has to pay. Okay, and then there is an extra. Every additional 10 grams is an extra 35 cents. But we don't know how much extra is that. Okay, understand that? We don't know how much extra is that. So, we can easily find how much extra is that. This is the first 50 grams, right? So we know that this is 50 grams. Okay, we just need to know how many more times of 10 grams according to the price. So first, easy, minus off this 70 cents and we will get $3.50. Aha, $3.50. So this is times, we must do the opposite. $3.50 divide by 35 cents. Oh my god, it's the same. See, 35, 35. This is so easy. So means that the difference here is just 10. Correct? Because if you times 10 to this, it becomes $3.50. Okay? So our missing number is 10. So the greatest mass is, just now we added 50 grams, right? And then we have 10 grams, which we have to times 10. So our answer is 150 grams altogether. So that is the greatest possible mass of package that Mr. Lim posted. 150 grams.